In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add filters to a Tableau dashboard. Whether you're a beginner, still getting familiar with Tableau, or a seasoned pro looking for a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can effectively manage your data visualization experience. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Tableau website. If you already have an account, you can simply log in. If not, take a moment to sign up. It's a straightforward process and will give you access to Tableau's powerful data visualization tools. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard page. Here, you have the option to create a new workbook or select an existing one. For today's tutorial, you can start fresh or proceed with a workbook that you're currently working on. Now, let's focus on the dashboard where you wish to add the filter. Within your selected dashboard, choose the worksheet you wish to enhance with filters. This worksheet is essentially your canvas, where you've curated the specific data visualizations you want to work with. Once you've identified your worksheet, look for the drop-down arrow located at the top corner of the sheet. Clicking this arrow reveals a menu of options, including the crucial Filters feature. This is your gateway to managing how your data is displayed and interacted with. Clicking on Filters presents a list of available filters you can add to your dashboard. This part of the process is about choosing the specific criteria you wish to use to sift through your data. Do you want to focus on specific categories, or maybe drill down into particular date ranges? Select the filters that best suit your analytical goals. One helpful feature to be aware of is the option to decide how the filters will appear on your dashboard. You can choose a floating filter, which is movable and can be resized according to your needs, or opt for a tiled filter, which will be fixed within the layout of your dashboard. This choice adds a layer of customization that allows your dashboard to remain clean, yet functional. Further versatility comes when you apply filters to multiple worksheets within the same dashboard, as long as they share the same data source. This functionality ensures consistency across your dashboard, enabling a cohesive and intuitive user experience. It's as simple as choosing which worksheets to apply your selected filters to. Just ensure they all pull from the same data set to maintain integrity. By following these steps, you'll successfully add filters to your Tableau dashboard, allowing for a more tailored and interactive experience. Filters are a powerful tool that can illuminate trends and patterns within your data, providing clarity and enhancing decision-making processes. Whether it's a simple category filter or a complex multi-layer filter system, the ability to customize your data views is now firmly at your fingertips.